Hey, this is Joey D for Wolfgang Music PH, and right now we're talking to the guy who's playing bass, Marco Cuneta of Wolfgang, and of course Razorback fame as well. Marco, thank you, congratulations congratulations on the show, and we're gonna go through your rig. Let's start from the basics. First question: you've been playing with Razorback for the longest time, and now you're doing the Wolfgang shows, and you're also playing for Basti. Malaki ba yung adjustment? Do you have different sounds? Do you switch guitars kapag depende?
Well, pinaplano ko sana magpalit yung backup na guitar.
Okay.
Kaso parang wag na lang. Para safe.
Para
Isa
safe
muna.
na. Kasi
just in
umandar
case.
na siya.
Oo, so just
Alright.
para safe lang. Yeah.
So your main choice pa rin is the Warwick.
Yes.
Why the Warwick?
Mas ano siya eh. Hindi ko ma-explain eh. Parang madali siyang gamitin. Andun na lang siya para
Ano ba siya? Weight issue? Neck?
yes, number one yung weight, super light lang niya as compared to the Music
The
Man.
Music Man.
Pero I switched them around. Pagka kay Basti, ginagamit ko to madalas yung Music Man. Pagka Razorback, itong Warwick. Magkaiba yung tunog nila eh. So, yun. So basically, yun yung dalawa kong main guitars.
Okay. And preferences, strings, brands, gauges, what do you use?
Yes, I use Labella strings
Eh?
from MJW, Mondances. So,
Okay.
kakabigay lang nila nitong strings kahapon. Yan, kakapalit ko lang. And ang ganda ng tunog niya talaga. Grabe. Narinig mo naman eh.
As far as gauges, may wild ano ka ba? Do you combine set?
No. Just 45 or 40s na bass.
So easy peasy setup.
Yes. Mm-mm.
And speaking of easy peasy, you're just playing direct, like you have a tuner now?
Direct lang. Naka-direct lang siya dito sa Ampeg. And a backup Aguilar amp.
Okay.
Yeah.
So has Ampeg been always your first choice?
Aguilar yung meron talaga ako. I have an amp head na Aguilar. But for this, I think mas bagay yung Ampeg. Mas medyo mas rock yung tunog niya eh compared to Aguilar, which okay naman kahit din naman na Aguilar yun, pero from the get-go kasi yung Ampeg ano na siya, mas rock talaga.
Yeah. Mas nakukuha mo.
Oo.
And there are a lot of bass players, a lot of musicians in general. They have all these racks and whatever. Have you always just been playing direct and whatnot? Is that a preference? Have you toyed around with effects and whatever?
Yeah, talagang gusto ko direct lang talaga kung ano yung tunog nung bass and nung amp. Tinatry kong palabasin yon sa mga performance. Pero nag-try na rin ako mga octaver, mga ganun. For parang medyo novelty lang siya for me eh. So pag siguro sa post-production, pwede ako magdagdag, mga ganun. Pero while playing, I think okay na tong rig na to kasi may napapatunog naman siya na medyo gritty or soft ganun. So hindi kailangan talaga ng masyadong madaming effects.
Alright.
Talagang rekta lang ako, rekta lang.
So is yung live rig mo ba, is it the same as pretty much as your recording rig? I'm glad you mentioned recording and stuff like that.
Yes. Same lang talaga.
Okay.
Sometimes I use the Aguilar amp head at home para going preamp. Or sometimes diretso lang talaga dun sa interface, and then I just add stuff sa post-production.
Alright. How would you describe, it sounds like a goofy question, no? Pero when do you know you've dialed in your perfect tone? What are you looking for in your bass tone?
Yung growl ng Warwick, meron siyang growl na yung parang medyo, parang gritty na medyo.
Kasi minsan it almost sounds to me na may drive ka eh.
Ayun na
Minsan.
nga eh. Yung ganun I forgot. Naka pala to. Meron siyang Aguilar na OBP, onboard preamp.
Oh,
Ito.
okay.
So two band may bass and may treble lang.
So is that active?
Yes, active siya. So
Baterya siya.
kaya parang minsan para siyang may distortion eh. So maganda yung combination. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun, pero basta pag narinig ko na nararamdaman ko na, tapos meron pang yung mga clarity ng mga notes, mas yun na, okay na sa akin
Happy
yun.
ka na.
Happy na ako dun.
Okay. So you're more of a less is more kind of player.
Yes.
All right, cool. Sa preparations for this particular show, was there something you did different, or what were you concentrating on as far as bass?
Actually, what I do on all my gigs na mga ganito, dinadaanan ko yung setlist every time I sit down to practice. Talagang buong setlist yan. Wala akong pinapalampas na kanta. Like for the past week, I've been doing it every day para lang muscle memory. Tapos kagabi, inabot ako ng mga past 12 na rin just to finish everything. Yung may mga di pa tapos na, yung mga kabit-kabit na gano'n. So, yung mga bagsakan. Tapos, ayun, basta everyday, dadaan ako talaga yung setlist before I go to a show. Except this one kasi wala nang time. So, yun.
cool.
And if pag feeling ko safe na, sige, go na yun.
Do you take breaks? Like, naniniwala ka din ba na sometimes you just have to stop and breathe and ano?
Like, yung mahabang set, may break naman sa gitna yun. Break lang muna ako. Tapos yosi-yosi. Tapos,
Kasi I noticed you have a tuning room backstage. Are you gonna be fiddling around later, or is that just
I haven't seen it.
nice? Well, that's it. Well, congratulations. Good luck sa show, mamaya. Again, this is Joey D for Wolfgang Music PH, and enjoy the show, guys.